All right, guys, this is a quick video for the Kirchhoff rules lab. Um, when you go to the module of the lab, there's a video for how to solve Kirchhoff rules equations in here. And then there's a video that I'm going to record right now, which is the how to do the lab. It's very easy, probably less than 5 minutes, to be honest. So you pretty much just have to open this, the background of Kirchhoff rules, which you will be doing in class, the link for the simulation, and this current and voltage laws. Okay, so basically you just have to know how to use the software. If you use current law, you are going to have this, just one power supply, which the instructions are here, by the way, like how to connect the circuit. 1 to 9, 2 to 10, so 1 to 9, 2 to 10. And if you follow it, it says 3 to 11, 4 to 12. So it's just connecting the resistors to the ammeter. Because the idea is to read the currents of each resistor. Okay, so you have the connections there. Once you have that, you can check it. Right connections. So now we have to use resistance values. For the resistance, don't use more than like you want to use not very high values. You can always you can check the values after. Okay, if you click on plot, what you're going to observe is the current now. Let's see here. Oh yeah, turn this on. You want to make this around 8 volts, at least in the instructions. I have that like that. Yeah, 8 volts, right? There you are. Here it is. So once you have that in there, you can. Okay, so it's giving me the currents now on each resistor. Now I just want to see why it's not. Where is the resistor value here? We need that. Oh. So I have the current readings here for this voltage. Oh, sorry, my bad. Here are the resistor value. So it's on the screen there. So I can reset this. All right, and then let's do this again. So go there. Yep. There. Then we check it. Then we do the resistor. Let's make this 10. 15. Yeah, 15 and 20. There. Then you can plot it. If I say the voltage first here. Okay, so that's the current on each resistor. That's it. That's basically what you have to do. You're gonna solve the circuit. And to solve the circuit, please follow the video that is in Canvas. I go over how to solve Kirchhoff rules. Where is it here? So here I go over how to solve Kirchhoff rules. Quite similar to what you guys have, right? The loop, the junction rules. So it's a bit of algebra. Okay, it's a bit of algebra. But I'm pretty sure everybody can follow this. And then you can just compare the theoretical values with the experimental values. Okay, it should be very low, if not 0% error. Voltage law is the same, but you will just get voltages. So it's the same. You solve the circuit, and then instead of measuring current, you are going to be measuring voltages. So these are voltmeters there. You do the same. You can change the values of resistances if you want. That's okay. All right. It's good. Oh, it's because of this. Let's just give values here. On, let's make it 8 volts again. We can make it 5 here. Oh my god. Let's just turn this off, I guess. Okay, so leave it like that. That's okay. Just leave it like that. 8 volts. That's your voltage readings for the resistors. You want to use integers. I did it too fast, but it's the same as the previous circuit. Okay, so that's how you use it, guys. It's not difficult. All right, it's almost the last lab for this semester. Again, if you have any questions, just let me know. The individual questions are just basically solving a circuit using Kirchhoff rules. And when you click here, there it is. All right. So that's about it. This lab you guys will be doing on November. I'm recording this video right now in October, so there should be plenty of time for you guys to watch the video and solve it. Okay. There is another lab, the RC circuits. I already have it here. And then we have probably a makeup at some point. Okay. Other than that, I hope you guys are having a good time with these labs. And if there aren't any questions, I'm going to finish the video right now, and I will see you guys on the next one.